All right, everybody. We are full on 2020 Mosaic NFL No Huddle single box random team number 10. Guys, I would be remiss if I didn't point it out again. 2020 Mosaic NFL No Huddle on the 6th of November 2023 on pretty much all major websites are between $1,050 to $1,100 a box. So if you wanted to buy a box for yourself to rip personally, you would have to pay either $1,050 to $1,100 for a box. All right? Right now, if you add up $22, $21.99 times 32 spots, we are charging $400 under the market price for a box. So there's no better place to open a box of Mosaic No Huddle than Blez Sports Cards right now. Let's do this. That's what I was saying. We should be doing a... Whoa, why is there two of them? Well, that's interesting. There we go, I guess. Okay. All right, dice roll. 10. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. And 10. Was 10, right? 10 dice. 10 random. Ten, 1, 10, 10. There we go. There it is. All right. Perfect. Elron. Yes, there is. There it is. There's the next one. If you guys want to take spots. All right, let's do it. Yep, I forgot about CD. All right, this is actually a great break. Congrats. Good luck to, what do we got there? Curtis with Herbert. T. Higgins and Joe Burrow for BC. Jonathan Taylor for Buckeye. C.D. Lamb for Lucinda. Justin Jefferson for Kyle. They're just great. Rhodey with the Niners and Ayuk. Frank has Jalen Hurts and the Eagles. Tua is going to Harvey. I mean, they're great players all over this thing. Let's do it. Good luck. Obviously, everything's going to ship from this box. All right, good luck. Chase Young, that's right, the new 49er, Chase Young. There's so many good players in this. All right, let's go. Good luck. First auto. It's for the Ravens. The great Earl Thomas. Dobbins was their rookie. All right. Blue of Zeke for Dallas. Let's let the rookies start coming on out. There's a rookie, Michael Pittman rookie. He's their number 1. Herbie debut. Brady. DJ Moore. Rookie of the best in the world, JJ. Tiki. True rookie of Herbie. How cool is it to be able to say true Justin Herbert rookie? Marshall. A.J. Terrell. Falcons stud D-back. Jeff Okuda, he was a top pick in the class. Cam Akers, rookie disco for the Rams. Chase Young debut. Charles Woodson to 50 for the Raiders. There's Darrington. Minshew. Keyshawn Vaughn, rookie for the Bucks. Mark Andrews, silver. One of the best. Dobbins, rookie. Judy, rookie debut for Denver. Ayuk, rookie for the Niners. Dan the Man. Oy, the one we don't speak of. Herman Moore. Patty Queen, Ravens linebacker. Claypool. Derek Brown. Zach Ertz. Gabe Davis, rookie for the Bills. Cole Kmet, rookie. Daniil Hunter, silver. Josh Kelly for the Chargers. UCLA kid. Kirky. Bowden, Lambjack. Jake Fromm. Montage of Breeze. Van the Man Jefferson. C.D. Lamb, debut rookie. Freeney base. All right, we have some numbered cards. Lambjack, that should be to 50 for Baltimore. Juju for Pittsburgh before he moved anywhere. Before he moved to the Chiefs or the Patriots. KJ Hamler rookie, and A-Rod. Not a great box, but for the price, every box is good when you save that much money. You know, when you're saving that much money, there's not a bad box. It wasn't bad at all. For the price, it's no box is bad. Not bad. Not bad at all. All right.